Hi friends, welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I'm Rahul Randeria and I will be conducting today's show. Today we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the technical indicators, the derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as the different asset classes. Now just a general disclaimer. This video is just for an educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investing. Now friends, let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. In our last video, we have mentioned that markets are slowly and gradually picking up momentum. They are gradually picking up strength. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. And in that similar manner, market has performed on our expected lines. And market has ended on a positive note on weekly basis as well as on the daily basis. Now, friends, without wasting time, let us just check out the Nifty daily charts. Now, this is the Nifty daily charts. You can see here on the Nifty daily charts, it has given a breakout. We have seen a pullback, and after again it has started rallying on the upward trajectory, and it is on a verge of its lifetime high breakout, which was marked around 19,991. Now this has been a lifetime high which was registered on 20th July 2023, and maybe in couple of days we will see that Nifty might break out those levels or at least test those levels, and might challenge those levels to for the further extension of the rally after the breakout. So definitely the trend is positive on the daily charts. Let me go to the weekly charts. Now this is the weekly chart. So weekly charts, it is clearly an strong bullish candle, which is clearly indicating that Nifty might break its lifetime high or it will test its lifetime high next week. And once it sustains about those levels, then there could be extension of rally in the unchartable territory. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. Now, the first support in the Nifty for the next week is placed at 19,727. Second support is at 19,636. And third support is placed at 19,491. On the upside, the first resistance is at 19,888. Above that, the second resistance is at 19,991, and third resistance is at 20,190. Now these are the supports and resistance level in the Nifty for the next week. Looking at the candlestick patterns, the bullish pattern on the weekly charts, any dips should be used to buy at the lower levels. This should be the strategy for the next week. Now, friends, let us discuss the derivative data of Nifty. Now, first of all, let us see the Nifty call data. In Nifty call data, we can clearly see the action was seen in 19,900 calls, 20,000 calls, 20,100 calls, and 20,200 calls. Now here you can see there is a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes, implied volatility is low, and there has the positive change in the option premium, which is clearly indicating the trend is bullish, and the smart trader are already have bought the out of the money calls. Now here on immediate basis, the resistance would be around 19,900, where there is a volume concentration and open interest concentration. Once that is breached 19,900, then there are chances that Nifty might test the levels of 20,100 on the upside. Looking at this data and charts, we feel that the momentum is strong and one should stay bullish. Now, friends, let us discuss the Nifty put data. In Nifty put, the action is seen in 19,700 puts, then 19,600 puts, 19,500 puts, and 19,400 puts. Now here you can see there is a rise in the volumes, rise in the open interest. Implied volatility is between 9.67 and 11.81. There has been a drop in the option premium, which is indicating that smart money has already into writing out of the money calls, out of the money puts, which is a bullish sign for the markets at this juncture. On immediate basis, the immediate support would be around 19,700. You can see there is a strong concentration of volumes over there, and 19,800 also, and open interest is also strong. If it breaks 19,700, then only there are chances that Nifty might drift down to the levels of 19,500 on the downside. Now, looking at this derivative data, again it is indicating a bullish stance for the market, at least for the next week. So now, friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty daily charts. Now let us go to the Bank Nifty daily charts so that we can have a clear view regarding the Bank Nifty. Now this is the Bank Nifty daily charts. Now let me put a resistance trend line so that we can see clearly a breakout of this congestion zone. Now you can see Bank Nifty has given a breakout of a small inverse head and shoulder breakout, inverse head and shoulder pattern, and whose target would be coming around almost maybe around 47,000 uh, maybe next 2 to 3 months. So definitely the stance is bullish. The price volume action is also bullish. Oscillators RSI is also with positive signals. But the only thing is that on Thursday and Friday we have seen the Bank Nifty has rallied. So we might see some sort of pullback, but that pullback might be bought or might take some support at the lower levels. So definitely this could be a buying opportunity if there is a cool off on the downside. So now, friends, let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. Friends, the first support in the Bank Nifty is placed at 44,812 is the first support. Below that, the second support is at 44,577, and third support is placed at 44,207. On the upside, the first resistance is at 45,383. Above that, the second resistance is at 45,592, and third resistance is at 46,096. Now, these are the supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week, and the chart patterns is showing a breakout. So there are chances that there could be the extension of this rally, and we might see maybe a bullishness for at least next 2 to 3 months. Looking at this particular breakout. So friends, now let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty. So we'll see the Bank Nifty call data. You can see the action was seen in 45,200 calls, then 45,500 calls, then 46,000 calls. Now here you can see there has been the rise in the volumes, rise in the open interest, and the implied volatility is between 9.32 and 10.2, and the option premium is also positive at this juncture. So definitely, the data is positive. The smart money is also seems to be positive. Looking at this data, they might have bought the out of the money calls. Looking at this particular data, so in Bank Nifty, immediate basis, 45,200 could act as an immediate resistance, and if it breaks, then there are chances that the next resistance will be 45,500 and 46,000. So definitely, the data is positive on the derivative fronts of Bank Nifty calls. Now let us discuss the Bank Nifty put. In Bank Nifty puts, the action was seen in 45,000. You can see here 45,000 puts, then 44,500 puts, and then 44,000 puts. Uh, so here you can see there has been a rise in the volumes, rise in the open interest, but a significant drop in the option premium. And but the implied volatility is between 11.43 and 13.3. So looking at the significant or a very huge damage in the option premium in Bank Nifty puts, it is clearly indicating that the smart money is already positive on the markets. So we might see the extension of rally from this level. But the only thing here is the implied volatility. It's slightly higher, not in danger position, but it is slightly higher. So maybe if there might be some sort of cool off in Bank Nifty, but that should be used as a buying opportunity. Now, friends, looking at the overall charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty and derivatives data of Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is clearly indicating that the trend for the market or the momentum of the market or the undertone of the market is bullish for the next week. One should stay bullish. If there is any cool off in the markets, that should be used as a buying opportunity, and we might see support coming in at the lower levels. So friends, now let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call. The name of the stock is Havells India. Let us go to the daily charts of the Havells India. In Havells India, we can clearly see that stock has given a breakout. There was a huge volume support on the breakout. This breakout is a 2-year breakout. This level has been breached after December 2021. So almost one and a half year resistance was breached on Friday. So definitely the market is bullish. The stock is bullish. You can see the breakout. Uh, so short-term investors, swing traders, or positional investors can buy the stock on dips to the current market price is 1450. The investor should buy the stock on dips to 1420 for an short-term view or short-term investment target of 1600 on the upside. Definitely, the price volume and the indicators are showing strength in the stock. So definitely, this stock should perform in next couple of months. So this stock should be on the watch of investors. So thank you, friends, for watching the show. Any suggestion you can give in the comment box, and have a nice trading week.